So in this problem, we're told at a lunch stand, each hamburger has 50 more calories than each order of fries. 2 hamburgers and 3 orders of fries has a total of 1,700 calories. How many calories does the hamburger have? And so I'm going to use this or solve this, and I'm going to represent our hamburger to be the variable h. Right, so we're trying to find what h is. I'm using h because hamburger starts with h. And then what we should also do is we see we have another variable, fries, right? We don't know what fries are, how many calories fries are, so we should represent that using a variable too. So we don't know what f is, but let's go ahead and solve the problem. So the thing about this problem is it's asking us to create an equation, and we're going to have to use this equation to solve for the number of calories in a hamburger. So let's see what they tell us. They tell us we have 2 hamburgers. So 2 hamburgers, I'm going to represent that by 2h, right? Because it's just 2h, it's just h plus h, we can represent by 2h. And 3 orders of fries, so plus 3 orders of fries, which we can represent by 3f, right? 3 times the number of calories for a fry has a total of 1,700 calories. So equals 1,700. And then the thing about this equation is that we have 2 different variables, so we can't solve. So what we're gonna have to do is change one of these variables to be the other variable. So we're gonna have to change it so it just has one. And we can do that because they tell us each hamburger has 50 more calories than each order of fries. So h is going to be equal to the fry plus 50, right? So the calories of the fry plus 50 calories, because they tell us that. And so with that information, we can just plug in this for h, and then we're just going to have one variable. So let's plug this in for h. It's going to become 2 times f plus 50, right? We just replace h plus 3f equals 1,700. So let's multiply out. So 2 times f is 2f, 2 times 50 is 100, plus 3f equals 1,700. And so what we can do is combine like terms. 2f plus 5f is, or 2f plus 3f is 5f. And then plus 100 equals 1,700. And so we can solve this by minusing 100. So 5f equals 1,600. And then we can solve for f by dividing by 5. So f equals 1,600 divided by 5. That's just going to be 320. So f equals 320. And then they're asking us, though, how many calories does a hamburger have? We know that hamburger equals fry plus 50. So h equals, and we know fry is 320 now. So 320 plus 50, which is just 370. So the number of calories in a hamburger is going to be 370, and that's going to be our answer.